Afternoon, all of you. And let us start the lesson now. Ganga River System. Today's topic is Ganga River System from drainage. What is the page number?
20.
So today we have to study about Ganga River System. So on which page number is the map work of Ganga?
20.
In the old book it is on page 19.
Yes, ma'am.
1890.
Let's see, page number 19. This map. Oh. I will explain you from the map. Okay. Let us see the map. This picture is of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. This picture is the Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. The left side stream is the Bhagirathi and the right side stream is Alaknanda. And both are joining together to form river Ganga. The place where these two streams join becomes the river Ganga. तो यहाँ देखो ये जो है ना ये stream देखो. This stream is known as Bhagirathi. नहीं, Bhagirathi, this one, smaller stream, which forms the river Ganga. So this is Bhagirathi and this one is Alaknanda. And both of them join here. This place is known as Devprayag. है ना? And parallel to these rivers is river Yamuna. This is river Yamuna. River Yamuna starts from Yamunotri Glacier. And Ganga starts from Gangotri Glacier. Means the stream of Bhagirathi starts from Gangotri Glacier.
Gangotri.
And at Devprayag, they meet together. Alaknanda and Bhagirathi meet together and start proceeding further eastward. Eastward. And covering the states of which states? Start from here. Uttaranchal, then whole of Uttar Pradesh, then Bihar, then West Bengal, and then finally it enters Bangladesh. Another country, Bangladesh, right? And one of the stream here bifurcates. It is known as Hooghly, river Hooghly. Can you see the pointer? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha. एक डार्क पॉइंटर से दिखाई देगा. दिस पॉइंट. तो ये देख रहे हो ना कि ये दोनों स्ट्रीम जो हेड स्ट्रीम कहलाते हैं रिवर भागीरथी एंड रिवर अलकनंदा. और दोनों मिल के जब आगे बढ़ते हैं तो ये पूरा डिस्टेंस कितने किलोमीटर का होता है टिल बे ऑफ बंगाल. दिस डिस्टेंस इज ऑफ 2500 किलोमीटर. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ गंगा रिवर? 2500 kilometers. And it flows through the northern plain. The whole of northern plain. And this is Ganga river system, and on that side, on the west, on the northwest is the Indus river system, and in between is the Ambala water divide. This part is known as Ambala water divide because it is an elevated area, so Indus flow towards southwest and river flows towards southeast. Right? The streams have two different directions of flow because of the water divide. In this part near Haryana, there is a water divide which is known as Ambala water divide. So Ambala water divide separates the Indus river system with the Ganga river systems. Okay. Then let us talk about the whole journey of river Ganga. Starting from Gangotri, starting from Gangotri, Bhagirathi river joins Alaknanda at Deoprayag, then it moves further south and at Haridwar. Here is another place, important place named as Haridwar. It is a pilgrimage place of Hindus, and at Haridwar Ganga enters into plain land. Before this, Ganga has its upper course. Upper course means mountainous course. Ganga flows through upper course in whole of this region in Uttarakhand. But at Haridwar, it enters plain land. So from Haridwar, Ganga starts flowing in the plain land. Okay? Now questions. What are the two head streams of Ganga?
Bhagirathi and Alaknanda.
Bhagirathi and Alaknanda.
And name the place where these two head streams join together. Deoprayag. And where is the plain land? Name of the plain land where Ganga enters? Yes.
Haridwar.
Ganga enters the plain land first at Haridwar. And what is the name of the glacier of Bhagirathi stream?
Gangotri.
Gangotri glacier, right? And just parallel to it is a Yamunotri glacier from where Yamuna river starts. Okay. Then moving eastward, Ganga has many tributaries. Ganga has many tributary rivers like, see here, river Sharda. It is also known as river Kali, right? It is on the border of Nepal, river Kali. Then the main big river is river Ghagra. This is river Ghagra, also known as river coming from Nepal Himalayas. Then Gandak, river Gandak. This is Gandak. Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. These three are major rivers which are the left bank tributary of river Ganga. समझ गए? River has two banks. River has two banks, left bank and the right bank. River is flowing towards east like this. River is going eastward, and so this side towards the north is known as its left bank tributary. Left bank tributary, and this side of the river, southern part of the river is known as right bank. Have you understood left bank and right bank?
Yes, ma'am.
There are hundreds of left bank tributaries, but the major left bank tributaries are river Ghagra, river Gandak and river Kosi. And these are the three major rivers which are also known as Nepal rivers, और rivers coming from Nepal Himalayas, है ना. यहाँ के जो हिमालय का पोर्शन है ना, इसको क्या कहते हैं? नेपाल हिमालयास कहते हैं. तो नेपाल हिमालय से आने वाले ये तीनों रिवर हैं. कौन कौन? घाघरा, गंडक एंड कोशी. ये तो मेन रिवर, हाँ, ये मेन रिवर के नाम हो गए. और इसके अलावा ना hundreds of rivers हैं, बहुत सारे रिवर्स हैं जो पे यहाँ पे मैप में हम उतने सारे दिखा भी नहीं सकते. और ये एक रिवर शारदा जो लिखा हुआ है ना, शारदा, जो कि घाघरा को ज्वाइन कर लेता है. इसी रिवर को काली रिवर भी कहा जाता है. काली रिवर से नेपाल का और इंडिया का बॉर्डर बनता है यहाँ पे, है ना. रिवर काली इसी को कहते हैं. तो गंगा रिवर के ये लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी हो गए तीनों. अब इधर से देखो, इधर सेंट्रल हाईलैंड से देखो, ये है ना सेंट्रल हाईलैंड पेनिसुलर इंडिया का. रिवर, बेतवा रिवर और इधर से सोन रिवर, ये तीन ट्रिब्यूटरीज हो गए. समझ गए? तो चंबल रिवर और बेतवा रिवर वो डायरेक्टली गंगा को नहीं ज्वाइन करके पहले यमुना को ज्वाइन करता है, और यमुना का जॉइंट वाटर जो है यहाँ पे गंगा से मिल जाता है. और एक रिवर जो है रिवर सोन, ये डायरेक्टली गंगा को ज्वाइन करती है. तो इन तीनों को क्या कहेंगे? राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी. Suppose you get a question, name some right bank tributaries of river Ganga. You will write river Chambal, river Betwa and river Son. And the biggest one is river Yamuna. River Yamuna is also right bank tributary. For a long distance, it is flowing parallel to river Ganga at Prayagraj, which was earlier known as Allahabad. it joins with river Ganga. So Yamuna is the biggest tributary of Ganga, and it also joins from right side. So it is also right bank tributary. Yamuna is also right bank tributary, and Yamuna is joined by Chambal, Betwa from right side. So all these are right bank tributaries, right? So this is the middle course of the river. When the river is flowing in eastern UP and Bihar, it is the middle course of the river. And then it enters West Bengal. This is the state of West Bengal in India. And in West Bengal at Farakka, what is the name of this place? ये जहाँ पॉइंटर दिख रहा है पॉइंटर, वो कौन सा प्लेस है? फरक्का. तो फरक्का के पास से ना ये जो गंगा रिवर है, इसके दो स्ट्रीम्स बन जाते हैं. मेन स्ट्रीम चला जाता है बांग्लादेश में, देख रहे हो, the broader streams goes towards Bangladesh, but one stream flows southward from West Bengal and drains into
Bay of Bengal में चला
है ना.
Bay of Bengal.
दोनों ही बे ऑफ बंगाल में ही जाता है, लेकिन ये फरक्का से अलग हो जाता है. तो मेन स्ट्रीम से अगर एक स्ट्रीम अलग होता है तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी कहते हैं. So what is a distributary? Distributary is a bifurcated channel of the main stream of the river. For example, river Hooghly is the distributary of river Ganga in West Bengal, right? And what are these? Ghagra, Gandhar and Kosi are the tributaries. The rivers which join the main stream is known as tributary, but the river which bifurcates itself from the main stream is known as distributary, right? So this is the difference between tributary and distributary. You can give some more differences between tributary and distributary. Tributary adds lot of water to the main stream. Tributary rivers add lot of water to the main river, but distributary bifurcates the water of the main stream. ठीक है ना? ये भी एक डिफरेंस हो गया. तो यहाँ ये फरक्का, ये जो प्लेस है फरक्का, FARAKKA, फरक्का जो प्लेस है वेस्ट बंगाल में, तो इसी को ना एपेक्स माना जाता है. इस डेल्टा का, डेल्टा ऐसे ट्रायंगुलर शेप में माना जाता है. जो सुंदरबन डेल्टा है ये, इसका शेप कैसा है? ट्रायंगुलर. किसी भी डेल्टा का शेप ट्रायंगुलर होता है, और इसका एपेक्स जो है सो यहाँ पे फरक्का में है. ठीक है ना? तो फरक्का इज द टॉप पॉइंट ऑफ द डेल्टा ऑफ सुंदरबन. And Sundarban Delta is a very big delta. Why? Because it is formed by the depositional work of Ganga and Brahmaputra. It has been formed by the depositional action of two big rivers of India, River Ganga and River Brahmaputra.
And Brahmaputra.
हाँ, और जब तुम ब्रह्मपुत्रा का डिटेल पढ़ रहे थे तो देखे ना कि ब्रह्मपुत्रा को बांग्लादेश में जमुना कहते हैं. ठीक है ना? और जब गंगा और ब्रह्मपुत्र दोनों मिल जाते हैं यहाँ पे, तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? आगे चल के उसको कहते हैं रिवर मेघना. तो यहाँ जो जॉइंट स्ट्रीम आगे बढ़ता है गंगा और ब्रह्मपुत्र का, तो इस पोर्शन में इसका नाम हो जाता है मेघना रिवर. और ये मेघना रिवर जो है सब बहुत बड़ा डिपोजिशनल वर्क यहाँ करते रहती है, और इसी को कहते हैं सुंदरबन डेल्टा. सुंदरबन नाम इसलिए पड़ा क्योंकि इस फॉरेस्ट में सुंदरी ट्री बहुत ज्यादा है. सुंदरी ट्रीज डोमिनेट दिस फॉरेस्ट, सो द डेल्टा इज नोन एज सुंदरबन डेल्टा.
Sundarban Delta.
हाँ, तो ऐसा भी एक क्वेश्चन आता है एग्जाम में, व्हाई सुंदरबन डेल्टा इज फास्टेस्ट and largest and fastest growing delta of the world?
Because it is made up of two big rivers of India, Ganga and Brahmaputra.
हाँ. So their depositional work is very huge. They deposit lot of sediments in this part because two big rivers are carrying the sediments through them, and so they are depositing here. So this delta is pushing the water of Bay of Bengal back. That means it is creating space in the Bay of Bengal every year. है ना? हर साल क्या देखा जाता है कि ये डेल्टा इसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ता चला जा रहा है बे ऑफ बंगाल में, है ना? पहले के समय में और इतना से कम रहा होगा ऐसे, जो कि बढ़ते बढ़ते अब यहाँ तक आ गया, और भी ये धीरे धीरे यहाँ तक बढ़ेगा, बढ़ते रहेगा. हजारों साल में ना ये यहाँ तक कवर हो सकता है. तो तो इतना तुम लोग पढ़े। तो कोई भी रिवर का जब डिटेल पढ़ते हैं ना तो क्या क्या पढ़ते हैं उसमें। सबसे पहले व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ द रिवर। तो व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ द रिवर। सोर्स ऑफ द रिवर इज गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर।
Gotri Glacier,
हाँ, and what is the mouth of the river means end of the river.
Bay of Bengal,
Bay of Bengal.
of
What is
Bengal.
what is the length of the river.
2,500
2500 kilometers.
2500 kilometers. And then the left bank tributaries are, which are the three major left bank tributaries.
Ghagra, Gandak,
घाघरा
Kosi.
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 Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. ठीक है ना, ये
कोसी.
घाघरा, गंडक and कोसी. And name three right bank tributaries.
Yamuna, Chambal, Betwa.
हाँ, चंबल, बेतवा and सोन.
बेतवा सोन
And which is the longest tributary of Ganga?
Yamuna.
Yamuna.
यमुना
And what is the source of Yamuna?
Yamutri Glacier.
Yamunotri Glacier. And where name of the place where Yamuna meets Ganga?
Haridwar.
No,
Haridwar.
no.
Allahabad.
Prayagraj.
Allahabad. And new name is Prayagraj. Old name is Allahabad. Right? And name one river which is the single river coming from south or central highland.
Son.
Same.
Son. S-O-N. River Son. Right? And in Bihar and parts half portion of more than half portion of UP, it is in the middle course. A river has three courses: upper course, middle course, and lower course. River is in mountainous area, it is known as its upper course. After this place, Haridwar, it comes in the middle. It is the plain land. And then lower course is also plain land, but it is closer to the sea. So lower course is the West Bengal and also Bangladesh. West Bengal and Bangladesh, where river Ganga flows, is the lower course of the river, right? So this is all about river Ganga. Let us discuss some more points. What is the northernmost point of Ganga Delta or Sundarban Delta? Name the place which is the apex of the delta. Sundarban Delta.
Farakka.
Farakka is in West Bengal. अच्छा, तो ये सारे क्वेश्चन तुम लोग को हम एक बार भेजे थे. क्वेश्चन को एक बार फिर से देखो. नेम द टू हेड स्ट्रीम्स ऑफ रिवर गंगा and the place where they meet.
Bhagirathi and Alaknanda.
Bhagirathi and Alaknanda.
And Devprayag. The place is Devprayag. Where does Ganga enters into plain land?
Haridwar.
Haridwar. Okay. And the tributaries coming from Himalayas to join river Ganga?
Ghangar,
Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi.
Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. Which river is also known as Sharda River?
Kali.
Kali.
Good. Name the water divide between Indus River system and Ganga River system. Ambala.
Divide.
You have written this in your answer. Ambala water divide. Okay. So this is all about your detail of the Ganga River system. And now we shall discuss some more things. Ganga forms the largest river basin of India. It is almost flat land. The slope is only 1 meter for every 6 kilometers. The length of the plain land is 1800 kilometers from Ambala to Sundarban. This basin is intensively cultivated and very, very densely populated. Okay, so this is the largest river basin of India. Students, this is all about today's lesson. So prepare this. Okay, bye.